Hi guys, today we're gonna be trying to figure out how to remove a cabinet or a desk lock. There are some locks that cannot be removed and some can only be decoded. Okay, so let's find out which lock, cabinet and desk lock uh, can be removed and cannot be removed, and how to remove them easily. Okay. Okay, guys, removing this lock is just, if you have a screwdriver, what you should do is insert this from the top and then push it like this. It's quite a little bit harder, and you have another one which will answer at the other side like this. Okay, so you wedge that side here and try to go on the other side here. Right, that is if you have a screwdriver, but if you have a tools like this, it's much easier. You put it here and put it here at the same time, and then pop it out. Okay, so that is how to remove this kind of lock here. Mechanism on this one, it has a clip here. See that? And that side also. So installing it, depress. So in taking it from that cabinet there, you have to repair the little metal that is coming out because of this kind of the result of forcing this out. This will go down when you force it. Okay, so that is how it is. And returning it back, just repair this, hammer this a little bit. Okay, and after you rekey it, just pop it back. Right, so there is a hole there that will rest in this one. Make sure that it goes inside there, and that little mechanism inside. Yeah, that pop it in. Okay, so that's how to remove and reinstall this. Okay, now that is clip. The clips will sprung out and will lock from this area here. Okay, that is one. Okay guys, this type of lock which has a 5 digits on it, this is also a coded kind of a desk lock. And the problem with this is that once the manufacturer had installed the lock with a clip on the top, so if you want to remove this kind of lock, you have to remove this wood also. It's very impractical actually. But I think the purpose of the manufacturer is that this lock cannot be removed by anyone, but only can be the key can be recut by the code. And we have a code for this. So we didn't remove this kind of lock. We just read the number. Like this number is 42133. We add +1 on each of all the numbers. There is no number on this kind that has excess of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is that all that has the cut on this key. Alright folks, so this kind of lock cannot be removed on the desk lock. Okay, so that's an information also, because the clip, as I said, coming from the top, not from down or from the side, which you can slide it or slide it down. It is from the top, like this. All right, so this kind of block you cannot remove practically, but you can cut by the code of this 5-digit number. Just add +1 on each of this number. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, this is a refrigerator lock, right? And this cannot be removed because of it is sealed from inside. So one way to cut the key for this is very easy. And most of this refrigerator lock, they are all keyed the same on uh, which brand it belongs to. So I have some refrigerator keys here which might be possible to open, and the best is this one is not, this one is not, probably this one, and this one is the most probable candidate for this. So we will try this first. Doesn't open. And this one, yeah, this is the one, right? So this is the key for refrigerator lock. They are mostly key the same in all aspect. All right, so that depends on the brands. Okay, friends.